Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption on PC. First, you'll need to purchase Red Dead Redemption 2 from a digital store like Steam or the Rockstar Games launcher. Before buying, check your PC's specifications to ensure it meets the minimum requirements. You'll need a 64-bit operating system, at least 8 GB of RAM, and 150 GB of free storage. A graphics card, such as an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 770, is also necessary for the game to run. For the best visual and gameplay experience, 12 GB of RAM are recommended. Your graphics card should ideally be an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 with 6 GB or an AMD Radeon RX 480 with 4 GB. Installation is straightforward. Download the Rockstar Games launcher, sign in, and then download the game. Make sure you have about 150 GB of available storage on your hard drive for the complete installation. Red Dead Redemption 2 on PC offers flexible control options. You can use the traditional keyboard and mouse, which provides over 200 customizable commands for precise control, or connect a game controller if you prefer. To optimize your experience, dive into the graphics settings. Adjust options like texture quality, shadow quality, and volumetric effects to find a balance between stunning visuals and smooth performance. Enabling upscaling features like DLSS or FSR can also significantly boost your frame rates. As you begin your adventure, remember to take your time and explore the expansive world. Mastering the Dead-Eye combat system will greatly enhance your gunfights, allowing for precise shots. Don't forget to care for your horse. Feeding and brushing it regularly improves its bond and performance. Engage in various side activities, from hunting to stranger missions, to fully immerse yourself. If you're playing online with friends, simply press the L key to open the player menu and invite them to your session.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.